Welcome back. Now, in order to work with the playback feature, there are going to be some settings that you're going to want to have enabled, and you're going to want to be aware of some prerequisites. So in this case, we're going to go to the Tools menu, and then we're going to go to the Options, and then we're going to want to go to the Data tab. Now, by default, Dragon is going to have it so that you are saving the recorded dictation with the document. Now, you don't have to do that, but if you always want to have your recording available for playback, this is going to need to be enabled for always. So you want to make sure that's there. Now, what you can also do when you're making corrections is that you can turn on automatic playback whenever you open the correction dialog box. Again, by default, this is unchecked, but you can use it here if that is a way for you to make your corrections more effectively. Now currently, other than the Dragon pad, Microsoft Word is the only program that will allow you to use playback. You can also use an older program called Corel WordPerfect. Now when we have a paragraph that we have dictated, we can do less than the entire paragraph if that is what we want to do. For example, select Going through Communicate. Play that back. You're going to have to over-communicate. Playback line. You are going to deliver a digital product that you want to make things as simple as possible for the workshop attendees, period. You want them to buy and actually get their product, so if you're going to use something like a membership site software, you're going to have to over-communicate, period. Now you are then going to save your file once you have completed your corrections. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.